Blog Talk Radio.
Are you ready to take a bite out of the competition? Are you looking for ideas to make your business better? Welcome to the Core Business Show with Tim Jacquet.
Sponsored by Apple Capital Group.
At the core of every successful business, you'll find people making a difference. And with each episode of the Core Business Show, we talk with those people, examine those ideas, and explore the strategies that make them special. Now, the host of the Core Business Show, Tim Jacquet.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Core Business Show. Today, the topic is going to be how to monetize social media. We're going to change the topic. Our guest that we scheduled for is actually for Monday, but we're going to postpone it for Monday to a few days later. So how to monetize social media. The companies are not only getting the word out about their brands using social media such as Facebook, Twitter, but also they're making money. Business executives have not found the sites such as Facebook and Twitter and MySpace and LinkedIn. However, you can turn a feature on there that you can play an advertising commercial and you from anything and you will it. They're allowed to turn the second commercial off, especially like on YouTube, but take advantage of that. It's only going to be a few cents, but it's actually worth just taking the investment. At least you're making something from the ad that or the product you're actually putting out. It's really invasive. It just actually plays the ad, especially on YouTube. I think people are getting used to it. How to monetize social media. Also, you need to build your brand awareness. The first step is to use the traditional media or the word of mouth advertising to drive and traffic to your Twitter, Facebook, to LinkedIn, or MySpace pages. And there's a book called How to Make Money with Social Media by Jamie Taylor. Take a look at that. It's a great book. I'm going through it now, and I'm just going to give you what's in the book. Also, you need to engage your audience, like we can. You're doing the interaction with them, just not putting out the information. They want you to respond if they say hello back. It's that simple. You need to really choose to be like an hour a day to just do social media, not to try to do it all day because then it becomes overwhelming. But if you do it at least an hour a day, maybe at the end of the day or at the beginning of the day, it's going to be really effective if they ask you questions. You can do it at the top of the day and then the end of the day if you want. Another way to monetize is offer special promotions. Dell is really good about this. They actually do their outlet for their laptops, get 15% or 20% off. It works for them. So use that also to do some off special promotions. Petco does a great deal by giving pawns. Quill is good at that as well on their products. Also, use media advertising. Many companies have used display banners, contact banners, which is pretty old, but it actually still works. So use those banners above whatever product that you have there on your webpage in order to try to get people attracted to it. Also, built-in applications. Still pretty new. You can go to Fiverr, make and build you an app, or just Google it, and you can get your own brand, such as a calculator, something entertaining, a game, provide some sort of social connection. Something is better than anything at all. So try that. There at least, especially on Fiverr, you can go there and get anything you really want, or Odesk. Odesk, of course, is going to pay a little bit more. Okay, also set up a shop on Facebook. Put your Facebook fan page up. Keep the information fresh and going. 800 followers. Be good about that. For a coupon, if they put in an email address, if they want to keep active with you, want to know product, they want to get some discounts, something that's going to be relevant to them that they're going to want to do it. And lastly, use your intentional tool. Companies don't always need to know the social media as a sales tool or to acquire customers. What you want to do is keep your fans and followers up to date on what's new, what's happening with your business, or an industry that keep you engaged. Again, you can go to that book by Turner, and it's a great book. I'm going through it now. Take a look at it, and it's going to be really worth your time. Again, Tim Jacquet. You had a question what the book is how to make money with social media. Again, thank you for listening, everybody. Have a great day. Take care. I'm Jacquet, your host.
Thank you for listening to the Core Business Show with Tim Jacquet. For more information about equipment financing and asset-based loans, visit our website, applecapitalgroup.com. That's applecapitalgroup.com. Or call us at 866-611-7457. We hope you'll join us for our next episode. And remember, you can always get to the core via iTunes. You'll find all our previous episodes there. And thanks again for listening to the Core Business Show with Tim Jacquet.